So can I just finish? Then I come back to that. Then I have the privilege of participating on two communities that have a lot of people from industry as well. So the Agile community, for example, the XP conference, which is the one, and even next year is in Brazil. Uh, um, that, for example, in the field of agile development, there are a lot of people from industry that also participates. There are like a research paper track, there's industry tracks. So and it's not like there is like one session that only have research papers. It's by topic. So you go to place for a session about hybrid work, you can have presentations from industry and presentation of scientific papers.
Mhm.
So it's a place that you already have this mix, and also the patterns community. It's also kind of half industry and academics. So we also exchange a lot of information, see what happened in industry. They see what we are looking for. So I also have this privilege. But yeah, it's not, let's say, it's not an easy question to answer, and it's a lot of work to disseminate your results also among the practitioners. So
Mhm.
it's a very interesting question. Okay, now I can go back. Did I answer? So then I can go back to the green software.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so then let me go back to green. So that's what we call green in software and green by software, right? So the green by software is when you try to let's say improve the sustainability by softwares that can help on this, right?
Um,
The green in software is to try to make your software, independent of what it is, more green, in a sense, like
Mhm.
to or consume less energy or
uh,
consume more clean energy, which can be, for example, to reduce waste. Uh, um, but also you can work with, for example, a load balance that use servers where you have more availability of clean energy, for example. So then, even for example, when we talk about IoT and cloud computing, like the cloud continuum, for example, maybe you have a device that has it's powered by solar energy, and then have some spare processing power that is not being used. So can you use that instead of throwing all the processing to the server where you have a data center
Mhm.
already consuming a lot? So all of this
mhm,
is not only, for example, working with the performance,
mhm.
but let's say trying to use better our energy. Nowadays, like with the AI, we have a huge increase, right, in the energy consumption. Today, like the IT sector, it's already, I think, consumes much more than uh, um, the airspace sector, if I'm not wrong.
Mhm.
But the problem is, let's say, think about how many data centers are being built and how many new flights are being created. So we are growing and growing really fast. So if we don't think about this kind of thing, it will be a problem, a huge problem. It's already a problem, but the problem will just grow.
But it's a problem that there are only the academy that is thinking, or there are companies that are thinking as well.
No, I think there are many companies that are already thinking about that in more green solutions, in saving energy. Because, okay, if you save energy, you also save money, right? So,
Mhm.
Yeah.
but in the end, okay, now we need so much energy with the AI and stuff that, okay, we need to start thinking about this.
Interesting.